I then went to Mark, who's
of, say, 40 people at a time, how can we increase the capacity? Well, we increase the capacity by doing one thing. We've made pre-shows. And what it is, I start off with a...
in other words, we charge, have a wristband, I can show that later on, where you put the wristband on, and then you pay. Now, watch the video. What's happening in here, you've got the trailer, which is turned up, and
Hello. I am known as Dr. X of the Institute for Metaphysical Research. We're a government body set up to investigate sightings and happenings that are somewhat out of the ordinary, shall we say. Yesterday we received a call from Staffordshire Police. Reports of unexplained noise and movement in and around the old vicarage at Drayton Manor Park. I sent in our best investigation team. The following transmission was received last night after they arrived at the scene.
ETA 15 seconds. Use your motion trackers. You shouldn't hold them back. Something's wrong. I don't like this. I'm getting a response.
Do you read me, Dixon? Please respond.
That's all we know. The support team who will guide you through the vicarage are hopelessly undermanned, ill-equipped and inexperienced. It's up to you. We need your help. Just follow the support team and their instructions as they guide you through the house. Thanks and good luck.
And the spirit of Reverend Nicholas Fields, vicar of this parish, until one day in 1902, my soul was liberated. Since that day, I serve only the true master, the Lord of Darkness. This house is now a temple to his power, a gateway to his kingdom. No one leaves as they came in.